Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sushi knife. First, let's talk about what you'll need. You'll want to select a high-carbon steel, like 1084 or 1095, for the blade, as these are excellent choices for edge retention. For the handle, consider durable materials such as various woods, micarta, or G10. Essential tools include a forge, an anvil, a grinder, and a range of sandpaper. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. Now, let's get into the exciting part, forging the blade. Begin by heating your chosen steel in a forge to a bright orange color, typically around 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's hot, use a hammer to carefully shape the steel, establishing the basic profile of your sushi knife. Continue to refine the blade's geometry, aiming for that characteristic slight curve and a precise, sharp tip. After forging, anneal the blade by allowing it to cool slowly, which softens the steel for subsequent grinding. With the blade forged, it's time for grinding and heat treatment. Carefully grind the blade to its final shape, paying close attention to establishing the bevels and precise edge geometry. Next, heat treat the blade by bringing it to its critical temperature, around 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, and then quickly quenching it in oil. This hardens the steel. Immediately after, temper the blade in an oven at 375 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 cycles, each lasting 2 hours, to reduce brittleness and enhance toughness. Finally, we move to the handle and the crucial sharpening process. Shape your chosen handle material for a comfortable and secure grip. Attach it firmly to the blade's tang using strong epoxy and pins, ensuring a robust connection. Now, sand the entire knife, gradually working through grits from 100 to 2000 for a smooth finish. The last step is to sharpen the blade to a razor-sharp edge using whetstones, progressing up to a fine 6000 grit for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.